Hello friends and welcome once again to my channel. In this video, I want to tell you what many people think about learning English. Many people think that it is difficult or that they do not have the talent to learn English. Have you ever felt like learning English is too hard? I used to feel the same way. English seems so difficult, but stay with me, and I will show you that it's not as hard as you think. What if I told you that you don't need to be very smart to learn English? You just need the right tips and a positive attitude. I used to think learning English was impossible, but today I want to tell you that anyone can learn English. You just need to believe in yourself and practice a little every day. Many people think they are not talented enough to learn English. They think only very smart people can do it, but that is not true. With the right tips and a positive mindset, you can learn English too. In this video, I will share my story and some tips that helped me. These tips can help you too. Learning English can feel hard. I know it, I felt the same way. But let me tell you something important. You do not need to be very smart to learn English. You do not need to be perfect, you just need to try. Many people think they cannot learn English. They feel scared, thinking they will make mistakes, but making mistakes is okay, it is part of learning. When you make a mistake, you learn something new. I used to be afraid of speaking English. I was scared people would laugh at me, but I learned that people want to help. They are happy when you try to speak their language. They want to understand you, and they do not care if you make mistakes. Think about a baby learning to walk. The baby falls many times, but the baby does not stop trying. The baby keeps getting up and trying again, and one day the baby walks. Learning English is like that. You will make mistakes, you will fall. But if you keep trying, one day you will speak English. You do not need to learn everything at once. You can learn a little every day, even 5 or 10 minutes can help. Every little bit adds up, and soon you will see that you are getting better. Remember, you are not alone. Many people feel the same way. Many people think English is too hard for them, but they can learn it, and you can too. You can do it if you believe in yourself. Think about why you want to learn English. Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you want to talk to new people. Whatever your reason, keep it in your mind and let it motivate you. When I started learning English, I felt lost. I looked at the words, and they made no sense. I tried to read, but it was too hard. I listened to people speaking English, but I could not understand. I felt like giving up, but I decided to try again. I started small. It was not easy, but I kept going. My journey was not perfect. I still made mistakes. I still felt frustrated sometimes, but I did not let that stop me. I kept trying. I kept learning, and little by little, I got better. This is why I am here to help you. I want you to know that learning English is possible. You can do it, even if it feels hard right now. Just keep trying, believe in yourself, and you will get there. Do not compare yourself to others. Everyone learns at their own pace. Some people learn quickly and others take more time, and that's okay. What matters is that you keep going. What matters is that you do not give up. Remember why you started learning English. Maybe you want a better job or a better life for your family. Whatever your reason, keep it in your mind. Learning English opens many doors. It gives you new opportunities. It helps you connect with more people. It lets you understand different cultures. It is a valuable skill that will benefit you in many ways. Now, let me share the first tip that helped me a lot. Here is how you can do it when you are alone. Think in English. For example, when you wake up in the morning, you can start your day by thinking in English. You can say to yourself, I am waking up now. I need to get out of bed. I need to brush my teeth and wash my face. As you go through your morning routine, continue to think in English. While brushing your teeth, you can think, I am brushing my teeth. My toothpaste tastes minty. I need to rinse my mouth. When you are making breakfast, you can say, I am making coffee. I am frying an egg. I need to get some bread from the pantry at first. This might feel strange or difficult. You might not know all the words you want to say. That is okay. Start with simple sentences and words you already know. For example, I am eating breakfast or I am going to work. The important thing is to practice thinking in English. As you get used to this, try to add more details to your internal monologue. Describe what you see around you. Think about them in English. If you are cooking, you can say, I am chopping vegetables. I need to boil water. I am adding salt and pepper. If you are driving, you can think, I need to turn left at the next street. The traffic light is green. I need to stop at the gas station. This practice helps you make English a part of your daily life. It helps you think in English naturally. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. Soon you will start thinking in English without even trying. Do not worry about making mistakes. The goal is to practice and improve. If you do not know a word, you can look it up later. The important thing is to keep trying and keep thinking in English. This is a great way to improve your English. It does not take extra time. You can do it while doing other things. Try it and see how it helps you. Now let's talk about the second tip. It is learning English by writing. Writing is very helpful. It helps you remember words, practice grammar, and organize your thoughts in English. Start small. You do not need to write long essays. Begin with short sentences or paragraphs. For example, you can write about your day. Today I went to the park. I saw many beautiful flowers. I felt happy because the weather was nice. This simple practice helps you use new vocabulary and practice forming sentences. You can also write a diary. Write a few sentences each day about what you did, what you saw, and how you felt. This will help you reflect on your day and improve your writing skills. Another idea is to write messages in English. Write to your friends or family. Write simple messages like, how are you? Or I hope you have a good day. This practice helps you use English in real-life situations. This way you practice writing and enjoy it at the same time. Writing helps you think in English. It helps you practice using new words and grammar. When you write, you have time to think about what you want to say. You can look up words you do not know. You can check your grammar. This helps you learn and remember better. When you write, you can see your mistakes and learn from them. Remember, writing is everywhere. We write emails, messages on social media, reports for work, and homework for school. I want to tell you about my friend Alina. She thought learning English was very difficult too. She struggled a lot, but something changed and she found a way to make it easier. Do you want to know how? Don't miss it. Click the link or stay tuned for the next video. See you in the next video. Keep believing in yourself. You can do it.